Hey guys, welcome back to another Andy Senders video. As you can see, we can't really see, but it's snowing out right now. I'll cut to another clip, kind of hopefully it'll catch it better. You can see it's snowing now. See it a lot better, but right here is my new sled. Bought this from Riley and his folks. It's a 2012 600 Pro RMK 144-inch track. Starts third pole every time. It's snowing really good right now. I mean, it's probably only snowed maybe like an inch and a half, like this storm, but I mean there's still probably like 3-4 inches from before, so just rip her on for a little bit, kind of fresh pow since that last snowmobile video posted. Did amazing. Thank you guys for all watching that. Hopefully this video does really good. It's also a snowmobiling video.
It's winter time and the weather's fine, with snow on the woods and field when I reveal my snowmobile. Thrill by gully and hill, baby, it'll make you feel like an outdoor meal.